Hello, one and all, dear participants. I hope you had a restful weekend. Today is Monday, June the 19th, 2023. By our program, we are to have practical number 3 video guide published tomorrow. But who says we cannot publish it today? So you can have enough time to navigate the system. Practical number 3, that's this one, will be on another site. We started with one site, site 1, our site 2, as I communicated with you in the email. Now we're going to be operating the 2 sites, and you see how excited that is. And this practical number 3 is setting up your class virtual learning environment. It's the first of several steps, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it all the way to the end. So we're starting moving from gear 1 to gear 2 and so on. So let's move it. Did somebody ask about my cap? Oh yes, today is a green day, green. So here's the cap, CC online. And so let's get on with practical number 3. Oh yes, let's begin with practical 3, which is on setting up the class virtual learning environment using Moodle. Again, I'm Peter Okebukola, June 19. As I said, I presented this just before 20th, that's tomorrow. The objectives of this lesson as listed: define learning management system, compare the features of learning management system, content management system, and learning content management system, and do the rest. But number 5, as I highlighted it, is to carry out 3 very exciting tasks. Now, the assumption for this class is that you all have accessed your blank class virtual learning environment. You've done all of this. So let us see what doing all of this will mean. Doing all of this will mean that you will go through your this list of participants, and then, as I said, okay, let's do. I'm sure you've done this. You've gone through this list and you've entered your class. Let's see Agaba Benjamin. So I'm sure Agaba Benjamin has been able to access this. Let's see some other person. I give you the guidelines there. I'd like to thank Dr. Adewale Adeshina, that's the director in National Open University of Nigeria, for setting this up for us. And that's what we expect all our DICTs attending this course to do for all the staff in your university by next week. In other words, you have a server, set up Moodle in it, and then just assign courses like this for all the staff. If you have 2,000, then you do 2,000. If you have 300, you do 300. So this is what we expect that you should have done to access your class site, which will be blank as at now. As indicated here, you are now prepared to start working on practical tasks. So you are with this video, which is this one, number 3, to be released on Tuesday. I'm releasing it a day earlier. And so that's the thing. We're talking about Moodle. We're talking about Module 7A. So how we go differentiate it? Quite easy. Module has just one O, Module 7, versus Moodle. This one has 2 O's. So it's pronounced Moodle. This one is Module. This one is Module, just like this one. Not education. I'm the faculty of education. No, I'm the faculty of education. Or is it not the spelling phonetically, but that's how it is pronounced. Faculty of education, not faculty of education. Say this man don't come again with this big grammar. I apologize though. So what's a learning management system? A learning management system is just a software. You have your computer with which you are watching this video. So there are things, operating system, application software. These are software application. These are software that are used by the computer to do a host of things. So the LMS or learning management system is just a software application. for doing these things that I've highlighted here. There are many of them. As of today, there are over 800 learning management system vendors. See them, Canvas. This is the one that Edo State University, great university, that that is using now. I was there some years back to commission it. You have Blackboard, you have all of this, yes. Now, these are some others. Moodle, according to this ranking, it depends on who is ranking. It's number 6. So we want to look at learning management system, content management system, and you can see these two join together. This L jump from here to here. That's learning content management system. So a content management system, we've defined learning management system. But what about content management system? It's just a framework into which you can store your content. And there are some software. Don't worry, if you are not an DICT, you are a common person like me. WordPress is a name for a content management system. Drupal is another one. These are very popular content management systems. They are not really configured for as learning management system. So, but the CMS, these content management systems, are ideal for websites. So I do website too. Very many of my websites are the WordPress. I thank Engineer Kitode Akifenwa of Osun State University for managing my websites. So we use WordPress, we use Drupal. But when it comes to e-learning, when it comes to online training, when it comes to this specialty functionality that you need, LMS is the better one. So you have a table here which gives you a sense of the similarities and dissimilarities among the three. LMS, that's our man here. Content management system, the LCMS, learning content management system. I'll give you the key features here and the end users. You can pause this video at some point. If you want it, you can learn about this. Another showing the features of the learning management system and the learning content management system. There's another one, I think. Yeah, that's the one. So this table gives you a summary comparison among the three. But a man is here. Moodle. So this Moodle, not just one this thing. There is an acronym. It's just like Mr. Niger, where we're learning characteristics of living things. Matter this man's called. Matter how pronounce it, it's not characteristics. Because I hear quite a number of people say characteristics. There's no S after that, it's characteristics. So Mr. Niger, movement, reproduction, nutrition, and the rest. So this one is modular. The M here is modular. It used to be called Martin's. Mr. Martin. Martin, above apostrophe S. Martin's object-oriented. O is object, O is oriented, D is dynamic, L is learning, and E is environment. You will see how this one will be Mr. Martin in a little while. I'd like you to pardon me for injecting this with pidgin English, just to let you know that this is light, no big grammar there. So this Martin Dougie Amos, this is the man to whom we owe Moodle. The founder, born 54 years ago, and he read computer science education. I'm so delighted about this man. You know why? Because in 1991, I was a visiting professor at Curtin University of Technology in Perth, Western Australia. And he was in the faculty of education. I was in the Science and Maths Education Center, International Center. We were only dealing with masters and PhD students. So he is a Curtin person. I'm a Curtin person myself, computer science education. But I tell you, I'm working hard with my Nigerian students over the years. I've been working hard with them to develop our own apps. So my postdoctoral students, my doctoral students at LASU, the Africa Center of Excellence for Innovative and Transformative STEM Education. Hey, we are moving on. I developed myself the cultural techno contextual approach mobile app. That's on iOS, it's on Apple Store, it's everywhere. I mean, it's on the Play Store. Agbanimu 1.0. This software relate more to artificial intelligence, cyber security, and the rest. Agbanimu Gbele 1.0, Chroma 1.0, Alpha Cyber Library, TEA 1.0, AIDA 1.0. So we are also making efforts. But Igbo man can't beat us. Now, why did we settle for Moodle? Because it's free, free. And it's non-proprietary, and it's open source. Open source, everybody use the thing, customize it as you wish. And that's global usage. Global usage. And it has been recommended by the National Universities Commission for Nigerian universities. As at yesterday, when I checked, we now have Moodle 4. Me, I'm confused myself. I'm saying Moodle. Which kind of thing be this? All right. Moodle. Yes, I got it. Moodle 4.14 plus. That's as at June 18, yesterday. Moodle 4.21. Moodle. So that's the latest. And I just found, because I've been teaching Moodle for about 8 years. And I found that the thing don't change. It's always improving, and the interface is a little bit more exciting than what we used to have in the past. So my videos of the past cannot work now, more or less. So this is the layout. The layout before wasn't like this. Here you have the course index. This the default for the boost template. So you can change templates. You can do whatever. This switch, that's the heart of the matter. This switch here, edit mode, it is off now. It's off. When you turn it to the right, it turns on. In the version 3 point whatever, in Moodle, you used to have something, turn editing on, or turn editing off. But here, it is edit mode like here. And I just got to know this today, by the way. And so you can just switch this on and off. And then you can make some blocks, create some blocks here to hold a number of these things. So you have course, you have settings, you have participants, you have grades, you have reports, you have more. A lot of this will be learning as we go along. So let's begin with the interesting task of setting up our course on a new virtual environment. I'm sure you've been waiting for this. Our first task, I'll just go through what the tasks are, and I'll come back to them, is to change the name of your course. If you do that change, 5 marks. 50 marks for this practical. Second one, to lay out the topics from your CCMAS course outline. The CCMAS course outline was what you got from practical 2. So to lay the thing out, your students are coming. So let's have them. 20 marks. Then you have to set up a welcome message. It's a video message. That's 15 marks. And then you upload, we have our Google Sites website, class website. We already have practical 1. I'm sure practical 2, you're finalizing that because it's due tomorrow evening. And then practical 3, you have to put this one there as a QR code. Hey, what is QR code again? QR, quick response. Now, this was designed, the matrix is a barcode invented in 1994 by Denso Wave, which is a Japanese company. Anywhere you turn now QR code. Because the QR code is able to take several lines, if you are targeting a website, several lines of the web address. When you scan it, if you scan this anywhere you are, it will take you to a site that I started experimenting with for this practical. So you are going to do just like this, and it will be something else. So let me go back to task 1. How do you change the name of your course? This is the next thing we'll have to do. Yeah, so what we'll do is you go to your course. Let me see who I'm going to. Hey, let me go to our ES here, Professor Saliu Noel Biodun. So if this were to be the course, if I were to be Professor Saliu Noel Biodun, and he has logged in, I'm able to log in because I have, some big power, so to speak, as system administrator. So this is the thing, we just put it as practical course, Saliu Noel Biodun. Hey, but that's not what we want. We want, he is Saliu Noel Biodun, but he has a course, maybe Biochemistry 203, that he has developed the course outline. So task number 1 goes like this. This is what Professor Salio is going to see. So you go to settings, see this one, settings. You click on settings, and then, hey, you can see practical course. Well, beyond the side. Oh, by the way, hey, because I already switched this one on, the edit mode you must get to. This comes as default. This one. That is when you get in there, you see this edit mode. It's not editing. So you have to turn the switch to this side for edit mode. And for you to know that it's edit mode, you begin seeing some. Okay, let's go to the other side. You will see to another page. You will find that. So this is practical course Salio Noel Biodun. Now, the naming format, please listen carefully to this. The naming format will be, you take this off, you take practical course off because we already know the course. Excuse me, I have some little thing running my nose. So it should be Salio Noel Biodun, BCH Biochemistry 203. So that's what's going to happen. Let's look at some of these things. Course visibility. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through every element in this your course environment. So course format, you can see topics format. You can see topic 1, topic 2, topic 3, topic 4, and all that. Appearance. We're going to be working on this. So let me save time. So save and display. If you hit save and display, see what's going to happen. That's changed it to Salio Noel Biodun BC. 10 full marks don't enter Professor Salio's pocket right now. But I'm going to change it back so it doesn't end the 10 marks without doing this. So that's what? That is settings. And you go to settings. Here you can see when it comes with this pencil, it shows it's ready to edit. Announcement, ready to edit. Topic 1, topic 2, topic 3, topic 4. Only 4 topics, but you can add more topics, which we are going to do. So that's the end for this. Let's go on to what? Task 2. Hey, actually changing the name is only 5 marks. I was wondering, how can you just get 10 cheap marks like that? So let's go on to lay out the topics from your CCMAS course outline. That will be 20 marks. How do we do that? This is how we do it. You have to go to your course outline and that's EDU 302, and then you will look at this topic 1. This is topic 1, and the annotation topic 2, topic 3, topic 4, topic 5, topic 6, and the rest of them. So be ready to do what? Just copy and paste. That is this task 2. How do you copy and paste? I'll just show you in a minute. Yeah, so this is it. You have topic 1, topic 2, topic 3, and the rest. You know, on my course outline, I have 7, and now I have just 4. You can add topics from here. I'll come to it in a minute. But let me just do only 2 topics. So how do you pour that topic? I said copy and paste. So what you do is don't bother about here. Just come here. You can see these 3 dots. You go to edit topic. Edit topic. You know, you call it topic 1. Here. Okay, I think I'll need to edit that topic there. Okay, so what we'll do, let's go back there. This topic, this pencil. So you're going to put that topic there. So let me go copy that topic and paste it there. So this is the topic, basic issues in test and measurement in education, which I'm copying to biochemistry. So this is topic 1. You can see escape to cancel, enter when finished. Enter will mean press enter. Yeah, you can see it has changed this one here. But I like to put that annotation. So that's when this now comes into use. You go to edit topic. You'll find that it has put that topic, basic issues and all that. That annotation I'm going to pour here. What do I mean by annotation? I mean all the details of this one. So here, you just come, you copy. I'm doing Control-C to copy, and I'm going back here, and I'm pasting there. So that's it. Anything else? Nothing. Just a save changes. And you see what's going to happen. Yeah. So on account of time, I may not be able to do the rest, but I'll tell you if, okay, you can see basic issues in test and measurement in education. That's the annotation, the details of that. So we are finished with topic 4, but you have topic 5. So you just go to add topic, it gives topic 5, add topic, go to topic 6, and it goes on like that. How wonderful. These people try you. Now, well, have we done task 2? Yes, we have. We have laid out the topics from our CCMAS course outline, and that's taking 20 marks in your pocket. The last task is to set up a welcome message for your students, and that's 15 marks. How do you set up the welcome message? That one is a beaut. It's wonderful. Again, please do not forget the format for the naming here of the course. It's your surname, your first name. You may leave out the middle name and then put the course, BCH 203, or whatever that course is. Now, what you want to do is to set up a welcome message for your students. And that's a video message. How do we go about that? Make sure that your editing is on, that this knob is pushed to the right. And then come here. You see collapse on there? There are 3 dots there. Just come here and do edit section. Edit section will take you to this. You have this box here. So we want to edit, we want to welcome our students with a video. So look at this. This is image. This is what? It's set to edit an audio or video. Actually, it's this one I'm going to do. Record video. Want to record video. If I recorded the video before, you excuse me, then insert from here. But you want to record the video hot. So you go to press this button. It will now say record, start recording. Please do not make this video to be longer than a few seconds. So just say, I welcome you, my students, to BCH 203. I hope you enjoy the course. That's all. No long story. So this is how it goes. You just say, start recording. And the video will pop up. Hey, so you don't see me now. So make sure you dress something, so that your students will say, "Oh wow, this is a great professor." That it's already recording. Oh my goodness, it's already recording. When you say stop recording, so when you say start recording, it will be recording. Like now it's recording. So I'm going to stop recording, and then I can attach that one. But of course, I was not welcoming anybody. So we'll go to record again. Watch it, please. As soon as you press this record again, the thing starts. So watch how I'm going to do it. I welcome you, my students, to BCH 203. I have no doubt that you will enjoy the course. Looking forward to seeing you all. Yeah, so you see, I have so you can actually play it back. Play it back from here. I welcome you, my students, to BCH 203. I have no doubt that you will enjoy the course. Looking forward to seeing you all. That's all. So 15 marks waiting for you, Nala. You have to do this, attach recording. So you go to attach recording, the system will now, it says complete. So you can see the system is putting it there. Ah, wonderful. You can actually center it. Hold this one here. I welcome you, my students, to BCH 203. I have no doubt. Let's see where I'm going to put it in the center. Where's the center? Yeah, I think that's the one. Oh no, that was moving it left and right. Anyway, don't worry about that. So that's the video, and you say save changes, and then that's it. Save changes, and then that video is there. When your students come to your course, they're going to come because you're going to enroll them. This thing we are going to work out throughout from start to finish. So it's too big a video, but it's fine. Just keep it like that. And then, so when the students come, press it like this. I welcome you, my students, to BCH 203. I have no doubt that. All right, thank you very much, because I don't want the length of this video to be more than 30 minutes. That's the rule. So that's this one. Now we have done the second bit. Yeah, so that's it. We have set up a welcome message. Make it short, my paper, make it short, 50 marks. So the remaining 10 marks, how does it go? You have to upload the QR code of the site to your class website as practical number 3. How do you do that? That's what I want to show you right away. Yeah, so this is the page you want to submit. Is QR code. Hey, this one is the simplest anyway. So you just right click this page, right click. You can see back, forward, reload, save as, print, cast, send to your devices, create QR code for this page. So just click on it. And so there's the QR code. Anybody who scans this thing will just come to this page. So you go to download, you have to download it. Click on download. And then you will see the thing. Please look at it here. It's downloading. It's already downloaded it here as a PNG file. So that's it. And then you do what? Take it to your website. I will just show you that one also in a minute. Yeah, but before I show you that, if it downloads, you can actually see where it is. You just click on this down arrow. It says show in folder. You now show this QR code. This where it is. If you like, you can change rename it. I actually did one earlier. Say Salio Practical 3. That's it. So we now go to your website. Yeah, we are going to be moving between our class website and the drive, your Google Drive. So the way to navigate it, there are several ways, but one that you find easy is when you go to your website, you just type sites.google.com on that address bar. If you are going to your drive, you type drive.google.com. So let's see how we navigate our way around all of this. I have some other ways of doing this, but just for those who have some challenge with learning how to do it the other way. So you can see sites.google.com. So you can see it has come with my site here. If you want to go to your drive, so you can open another tab here. Look at it. You can open another tab here and then just type, what should you type? Drive.google.com. Drive.google.com. That's the one, and you hit this. So it now comes up with your drive. So the first thing we want to do is to bring that image of the back of the QR code to your drive. And so how do you do it? You go to new, you go to file upload, because we want to upload it to here, and then it will come up with what do you want to upload. Then you go to that file where you have kept it. In my case, it's in the downloads, and then you can see Salio Practical 1, Practical 3, excuse me. So you double click this. I actually loaded it before. Let's see what it's telling me. Upload, replace the existing file. Yes, upload, replace the existing file. So that's what we have here. Please look at this thing very carefully. You can see Salio Practical 3.png. You double click on this because we want to be able to share. How do you share? You share by coming to this 3 here. You can see this 3 here. You go to share. You can see you go to share here, and then it comes with anyone with a link. I already did this, but it will come by default. That is, it will assume that I want it restricted. This is what you are going to see in your own case, but you then change this like we did for Practical 2 to anyone with a link, and you say done. Okay, if that is done, then it is done. Then what's the next thing is for you to go to your Google sites. Recall that we have gone to the Google site. What are we going to be doing here, Seth? You don't know. We are going to be uploading that image to the Practical 3. So I'm clicking on this. We have this welcome message, Practical 2, Practical 3. So let's go to Practical 3. You can see that there's nothing here in Practical 3. And what should be here? What should be here is that QR code that will take us to your site. So we go to Drive, because that's where it is. We go to Recent, and we have to see salary practical 3. So you can see here. So you can double click on it. It loads here. And then you can resize as you like. You can move to the center, and then that's it. But is that it? That is not it. It's not it because the site is not published. Nobody is going to see this. So you go to publish. You know, practical. Yeah, you can see it here. If it's not here, don't bother. You can see it here. Currently published is here. If this is not here, don't bother. If you see here and on the draft, I don't see it here, don't bother. Because so long as you hit publish, you can see it's published here. And so that is it. This is how the site will look like. This one. And you can actually come here and say view published site. And this is what the published site will look like. So when it is being marked, they will come to practical 3. They click on practical 3 and they find this QR code and they will scan it and go to your site. Go to your class virtual learning environment. Oh, this is wonderful. So we have accomplished the upload. We uploaded the QR code of the site to your class website as practical 3, 10 marks in our pocket, making 50 in total. So what have we learned in this lesson? We define learning management system, we compare this, we justify a selection of module, and we describe the main features of the layout, and then we carry out 3 tasks in our class virtual learning environment. From me, Peter Okebukola, it is bye for now. See you practical number 4.